In today's tutorial, I would like to show you how you can use custom events in Bubble. So custom events is the functionality which let you to create a workflow once, and then you can use that workflow as many times as you need within your Bubble application. So for me, it's a custom event. It's a kind of a variable which let you to be called at any place you need. For example, it might be when the user click on the button, or when the user behaves somehow on your web page. It doesn't matter. So in my case, I have three buttons. I have three different buttons on my landing page. It is a demonstration purposes landing page, and when the user click on that button, depends on this the user, I'm going to log the user in, or I redirect my user to the sign up page and propose to my user to sign up. So as you may notice that I have when I click on the element, you can see that I have a repeated scenarios, and so I have 3 steps within my workflow, and when the user click on that button, I'm going to use that workflow. In order to avoid the repeating elements and the repeating workflows within your Bubble app, it would be nice to create a custom event only once, and then you can use and then you can call that custom event as many times as you need. Another advantage of using custom event would be if you want to change something within your workflow, it would be quite simple and easy. You can change it any step within your workflow, and it will be changed automatically on any other elements. So let me show what I mean. So now I have a workflow. It's quite easy workflow. If the user, on the first step, I'm going to check if the user have an account. I'm going to log the user in. If the user does not have an account, I'm going to make a pause, and then I redirect my user to sign up page. And let's create a custom event. In order to do that, we're going to go to workflow, going to custom, create custom event, and then we're going to create a custom event. Custom event, let's say sign up, right? And let's copy our workflow. It's going to be copy, then we paste. We're going to copy, paste a second, and then going to copy, and then we're going to paste. Right. So now we have a custom event. Now we don't need that event anymore, and I'm going to the custom event sign up, and let's add this event in our workflow. So when the user click, we need to trigger that event. When the user click on the button, we're going to go to workflow, and then we go to custom events, and then we choose our custom event. Going to be custom event sign up, and if we need to do something else, if you need to use the same logic, we can just click on the rest of the buttons on elements on the web page, and then we can trigger that event on our web page. So now I applied my logic to both buttons, and that is how you can use custom events in Bubble. So the most frequent use case scenario in Bubble how we can use custom events is going to be the repeating behavior on the web page. So it might be the registration, sign up forms, and or it could be for example, it could be a payment, like, so you have several elements on the web page and the payment buttons, and in order to avoid the number of the repetitions on your web page, you just create a custom event only once, and then you can call it as many times as you need. So I hope you enjoy my tutorial. Please like and subscribe.